Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session, last lot of sessions we discussed about communication skills. Okay, now it is done. Now today I would like to make you understand about soft skills. And one more important point is communication skills are also one of the main skills in soft skills. As I said already, right? Now here soft skill. What is the meaning of soft skills? I discussed it in the first session about communication skills and soft skills and what is the importance of that, everything we discussed. Now let me explain you once. Soft skills means everybody can communicate with others easily. It is not only in English but also in a lot of languages we can easily communicate. But how we are communicating, how we behave with others, that is called soft skill. Without hurting a person, if we communicate with others, that is called a soft skill. Understand my point? Means here a lot of skills are there. In this soft skills, total 87 skills are there, I said earlier. 87 soft skills are there. In that, first skill is communication only. Communication skills. In these communication skills, again subtypes are there. I will let you know. Then second one, creativity. Third one, personal skills. Fourth one, interpersonal skills. Fifth one, leadership. Sixth one, influencing. Seventh one, professional skills. Professional skills. Right? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. First of all, soft skills means how to communicate with others. Communication is a process, the interaction between people, right? We can communicate in any language or without speaking also we can communicate, like non-verbal communication. By hand movement, gestures, postures also we can communicate, physical movements. And here in soft skills, how to behave with others, right? Here first communication skills, second one creativity, third one personal skills, and fourth one interpersonal skills, leadership qualities, influencing people, professionalism skills or professional skills, right? These 7 are very, very important soft skills. In this again some topics are there. Total this includes 87, like first 12 and next one 18, next one 6, next one 7, next one 20, like this last one 27 skills. Like this total includes 87 skills are there. In this we already discussed about communication skills, but again I will let you know briefly in further videos, okay? Because as I said 87 skills I will let you know briefly here every day. Now communication skills in this verbal communication and what is the grammar part also, and how to communicate with others, vocabulary, basic level, intermediate level and advanced level. This is about communication skills. Okay, I am giving just examples. Once I get into this again separately, so I will let you know about everything in brief. Now creativity means critical thinking and problem solving skills. These are under creativity skills. Personal skills means self confidence, self assessment and self realization or self experience. These are personal skills. Next, interpersonal skills means how to deal the people and how to get positive attitude with the people and how to get impress the people. These are interpersonal skills. Interpersonal skills generally we use in corporate levels. Wherever you go there, if you want to get promotions or something, you need to have interpersonal skills much. then only they can support you. You have to get support from others, and convincing, that is called this one. Leadership qualities. This leadership qualities includes group discussions, debates, these all, right? Leadership qualities, group discussion is the topic where we can get leadership qualities more, and we can expose our leadership qualities, right? Next one, influencing. Influencing people, how to communicate with people, conflict the problems. That means make it very concise, as simple as possible, and as short and sweet. And we have to clear the problem as simple as possible without hurting a person. That is called influencing. Influencing means we can communicate with others by using NLP technique. This is called NLP, I said already, Milton models. NLP techniques, influencing people, we can easily influence the people. Professional skills. If you are going to any professional areas, like any corporate levels or any job sectors, in that field, depends on your position or designation, you need to convince the people. If you are going for like a business salesperson, you need to talk to the customer in a clear manner. That is called professional skills, where you can get mentoring also, and you need to have it. If you are a team leader in your office or in your company, what are the skills you should have, like professionally? You need to support your people, and you need to sometimes you need to shout on the people, right? These are without hurting them. That means they have to understand the situation. You have to make them understand. That is called professionalism. Depends on your professionalism only, whether you are professional or not, each and everybody can understand. That means our body language, our way of talking, our way of behavior, and eye contact, facial expressions, where we are going there, and wherever we go, we need to maintain some, each and everything. It looks like appearance. Our appearance only will make them understand like a professionalism. So that's what we have to always maintain. Wherever you go, if you are working for any corporate level or everywhere, that respect you have to maintain. That is called professional skills. In that also again 20 skills are there. Here some 12 skills are there. Here 8 skills or 20. Total 87 skills are there. Each and everything I will let you know in further videos. This is just a brief introduction about soft skills. And why the soft skills are important. Why the soft skills are important means, for getting jobs is a very easy thing. For getting job is very easy thing. Why I am saying this means, for getting jobs we need to use some hard skills also. Hard skills means we can get some recommendation or reference. Everything depends on the company's requirement. If they have only 100 requirements are there, only 50 people are there for interviews. Interview 50 people came. Okay, for interview if 50 people came, they have 100 requirements. Then they don't need any soft skill or something, because their emergency, so they automatically hire. So that's what here you can use hard skills. If any of your friends is there, then you can get some reference and you can go through that. That is called hard skill. But how to survive in the company is soft skill. Understand my point? For getting job is a hard skill. There you need to just focus on communication. If any HR round means, you need to focus on communication and soft skills. But there, by using reference or recommendation, if you go through, that is called hard skill. But once you get into their company, you have to survive there. That is called soft skill. If you have the soft skill, then only we can survive in that company. For a lot of months or lot of years, we can easily survive in that company. That is called soft skill. Understand my point? Here, hard skills means we can easily, by test also we can understand. If you put any test technically, okay, he is good at Java or he is not good at Java, we can easily understand, we can compare by using that test. But soft skills we cannot get by using test or something. Soft skills means which we have inbuilt with us. That is called soft skill. Depends on situation, we have to expose our soft skills. If you are into some company, there how to behave, and if you are into at a home, for example, how to behave with parents or people. If you are into some public speaking, there how to communicate with others. These all includes soft skills. Okay, in the soft skills different types are there, and where to do that and how to use that, everything I will let you know in the further videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.